Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the world of naval shipbuilding, and it's all about robots taking over. Yes, you heard that right. These mechanical welders are about to revolutionize the way warships are constructed, and I'm here to break it down for you. So, imagine a shipyard, a place where massive warships are built, and instead of relying solely on human welders, we're bringing in some high-tech reinforcements. HII, a leading shipbuilding company, has teamed up with Hyundai Heavy Industries to pilot a program that will automate the welding process in their Mississippi shipyard. Now, this isn't just some random experiment. It's a well-thought-out plan that stems from a memorandum of understanding signed between these two giants in 2025. The goal? To extend automation into areas of warship construction that have traditionally relied on manual labor. These intelligent robots are no ordinary machines. They're equipped with some serious smarts. They can recognize workpieces and welding conditions automatically, adjust their positions in real time, and even capture process data for quality control and traceability. It's like having a super efficient, super accurate welding squad on the job. Brian Blanchett, the president of Ingalls Shipbuilding, is all about this innovation. He sees it as a natural progression, building upon their existing automated production lines. From automated panel lines to robotic bulkhead fabrication, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in shipbuilding. Dr. Won-Ho Ju, the chief executive of HHI's Naval Business Unit, emphasizes the strength of their partnership and the benefits of open technical collaboration. They're not just working together, they're aiming to enhance shipbuilding efficiency and deliver better value to their customers. But why the sudden push for automation? Well, my friends, it's no secret that American naval shipbuilding has been facing some challenges. Delays, workforce shortages, and intense competition for skilled labor have been a real headache. Skilled welders are hard to come by, and shipyards have been struggling to keep up with demand. Enter South Korea, a country that's been making waves in the shipbuilding industry. Hyundai and Hanwha, South Korea's largest shipbuilders, have been delivering naval vessels on time and on budget, something American yards have been struggling with. And they're not just content with building ships, they're looking to establish a strong presence in the United States. Ingalls Shipyard, located in Pascagoula, is a key player in this game. They build a range of warships, from amphibious warfare ships to Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, and they're the sole builder of the Navy's large-deck amphibious assault ships. With this pilot program, they're taking a giant leap forward in automation, and I, for one, am excited to see the results. So, what does this all mean? Well, personally, I think it's a sign of the times. Automation is the future, and it's fascinating to see how it's being applied in such a critical industry. It raises questions about the role of human labor and the potential for increased efficiency and cost-effectiveness. As we continue to explore these technological advancements, one thing is clear. The shipbuilding industry is evolving, and robots are here to stay. It's an exciting time, and I can't wait to see what other innovations are just around the corner. Stay tuned, and let's keep exploring the fascinating world of technology and its impact on our lives.